Welcome back to my channel Nilu's classroom. आओ कुछ नया सीखें. Hello kids, today we are going to learn the table of 1 to 10. Let's get started. 1 ones are 1. 1 twos are 2. 1 threes are 3. 1 fours are 4. 1 fives are 5. 1 six are 6. 1 seven are 7. 1 eights are 8. 1 ninth are 9. And 1 tenth are 10. This is the table of 1. Table of 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. 2 six are 12. 2 sevens are 14. 2 eights are 16. 2 nines are 18. 2 tens are 20. This is the table of 2. Table of 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. 3 fives are 15. 3 six are 18. 3 sevens are 21. 3 eights are 24. 3 nines are 27. 3 tens are 30. This is the table of 3. This is the table of 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. 4 fours are 16. 4 fives are 20. 4 six are 24. 4 sevens are 28. 4 eights are 32. 4 nines are 36. And 4 tens are 40. This is the table of 4. Table of 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25. 5 six are 30. 5 sevens are 35. 5 eights are 40. 5 nines are 45. 5 tens are 50. This is the table of 5. Table of 6. 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. 6 threes are 18. 6 fours are 24. 6 fives are 30. 6 six are 36. 6 sevens are 42. 6 8s are 48. 6 9 are 54. 6 10 are 60. This is the table of 6. Table of 7. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. 7 threes are 21. 7 fours are 28. 7 fives are 35. 7 sixes are 42. 7 sevens are 49. 7 eights are 56. 7 nines are 63. 7 tens are 70. This is the table of 7. Table of 8. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. 8 threes are 24. 8 fours are 32. 8 fives are 40. 8 sixes are 48. 8 sevens are 56. 8 eights are 64. 8 nines are 72. 8 tens are 80. This is the table of 8. Table of 9. 9 ones are 9. 9 twos are 18. 9 threes are 27. 9 fours are 36. 9 fives are 45. 9 sixes are 54. 9 sevens are 63. 9 eights are 72. 9 nines are 81. 9 tens are 90. This is the table of 9. Table of 10. 10 ones are 10. 10 twos are 20. 10 threes are 30. 10 fours are 40. 10 five are 50. 10 six are 60. 10 sevens are 70. 10 eights are 80. 10 nines are 90. 10 tens are 100. This is the table of 10. Hope you like the video. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.